Hey traders, welcome to the price action trading channel. In this video I'm going to show you some of the trades that I took on higher high higher low trading strategy. But before I move to the actual trades, let me say something about this channel. This channel is all about price action trading. That means we don't trade with the help of any indicators. We trade with the help of Fibonacci, moving averages, volumes, and candlestick patterns. So if you're interested in all those content, please subscribe to the channel. Also guys, I have a Facebook channel and a Telegram channel. You can subscribe to those channels also if you are interested for the daily contents. Links are in the description. Now coming to the today's topic, higher high and higher low trades. So I'm going to show you some of the trades that I did on OTC market, but these are applicable to all the type of market in binary options, in stock trading and in forex. So don't get agitated if you see me trading on the binary options only. Guys, I'm also planning to start a new series of higher high and higher low, and I'll give you few tips and tricks in the upcoming videos, but this video is all about showing you the actual trades that I took on higher high and higher low trading strategies. So hope you guys learn from this video. Now let's get started. So I'm in EU and it looks like it is going down. Let's see what type of trend it is. Let's zoom out the chart. It's a downtrend, so I wanted to make a video for higher high, so I will only do a call options in all the trades. So let's go to NU. Now it is an uptrend, but it is not giving us an opportunity for call, so let's wait. Let's go to EU and see. Yeah, it is creating a kind of doji, but it's not good for our video, so let's wait for, or let's go to probably go to other currency pair, AUD CAD. Yeah, oh yeah, it is giving us an opportunity. Probably a polarity has changed. So I'm going to go for a call, quickly call. Yeah. So I called here because if you see the last two candles, they have created a higher high. That means the closing price of the current candle is higher than the, I'm sorry, the closing price of the second last candle is lower than the current candle's open price. Or you can say in simple terms that the open price is higher of the current candle is higher than the previous candle's closing price, so that is a higher high in simple terms. You can see the buyers rejection in this candle. The buyers are still active there, and I'll quickly tell you that the support was also there and the support was sustained by this small candle. Now the buyers has rejected from that support and it has pushed the candle up, so it is going to be a win for us. Yeah, it's a win for us. Let's do some more trades. Let's go to NU. NU is probably giving us a higher high, but let's see. It is very close to a resistance line, and in OTC it can go against us, so we should probably wait for this candle. And in the meanwhile, EU is in a downtrend, and you can see that the candle is still hoping to go up, but in OTC it can go down, but I'm expecting this candle, the current candle, to go up. Let's go to NU. Yeah, NU has probably given us the opportunity. In the next candle I'm going to go for a call. Let's wait for this candle to close. It's in an uptrend, complete uptrend, so let's wait for this candle. AU is in a bit of bind, so sorry, AC is in a bit of bind, so I'm not going to go for a call in this candle. Yeah, NU has given us the opportunity. Let's wait for this candle to reach our earlier resistance, now support. I'm going to go for a call now because the bias has rejected that candle from this area. Since the bias has rejected and the candle has made a higher high, that means the current candle open price is higher than the previous candle closing price, and same goes for the second candle. Its open price is also higher than the its own previous candle's closing price. So it is in a higher high and the trend is also up. So we are going to go for a call, and it is looks like it is going to be a win. Okay, let's wait. Yeah, it's a win. Let's do one more trade, probably see. Yeah, it is in a downtrend here, so we shall not trade on this. Guys, I had to speed up the video now because in the next 2-3 minutes I did not get an opportunity to trade with higher high and higher low. So I'll take up this opportunity and tell you more about the higher high and higher low. Just the basic concepts I'll touch upon, and those who are not aware of, so that they can also learn about this higher high and higher low trading strategy. So you can use this trading strategy in any of the assets, trading assets, if you're trading binary, forex and stocks. So just a brief explanation. I'll take up this space left side, and so if I draw a line here, so this is the lower part is called an opening price, or the low part, and the upper part is called a higher part. So this is low and high, and this is just a basic. You can think of this as a candle also, you can think of this as any of the part also, like a price point area. So if I draw another line, now this has become from high to low. So this is your higher low, because this low is higher than this low. The first low, this was the first low, and this is the second low. Now if I draw another line, the big line or a small line doesn't matter. So if I draw another line, this will be your higher high, because this high is higher than the previous high, and this low is higher than the previous low. So this is higher low, and this is higher high, and this is high. So this is just a basic concept. Now I'm moving on to the actual trading chart with the original voice. I'm into AUD CAD pair now, and the polarity of this currency pair seems to have reversed, and we can't get the higher high trading opportunity. And the video I wanted to make is to more concentrated towards a higher high. That means only call option, not a put option. So I'm going to move towards the other currency pair, NU, and I'm going to call the NU. So I called NU based on again the same concept, higher high. That means the previous candle's high is broken with the current candle, and you can see this same concept in the last two candles, and there was no major resistance. So the resistance I was expecting to be broken. So it is an uptrend, resistance was not there, and the candle was making higher high. So I took this call option, and seems to be going in our favor, but it's very close. Let's see. Let's wait for 13 more seconds. Yeah, it bounced from the buyer's area, and it looks like it is going to be a win, but it could be close at the very last second. Yeah, it's a win for us, but looks like it is a doji. So that's it guys for this video, and I hope you like this kind of trading video. And in the next video I'm going to give you an explanation. I just wanted to make this video so that before I say anything about the higher high and higher low, I wanted to show you that this trading concept really works, and it is a good opportunity for you guys to learn. And it actually gives you more than 90 or 95% of winning streak if you are patient enough and trade with this kind of trading strategy. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys learned something new from this video. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and family. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.